Hi everyone, it's Nicole again. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you my nails real quick. So guess what I got? I'm going to do a very quick unboxing right now. And then we have to go to Target and we have to go to ShopRite. And I'm going to send a couple things back. So I'm not done using my crossbody. When I get back, we are going to switch into it. We are going to switch into my bag. That's what came. I don't think I can see anything, but there you go. I took this in a case, of course. So I was like, let me just unwrap it for you guys. I did take a sneak peek. Oh my god. So you have a HelloFresh thing and a wrap. So, I am so freaking excited. Oh, this is my ramen bath. I'll tell you what it is in a minute. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I just sleepy, but I'm like, I want it to. It's in Super. Alright. I love how they packed it. I love it. This is insanity. Oh my god, I can't believe I brought them back. This is stunning. Like, this is all I really need in my life right now. All I need in my life right now. I think it's, God, it is absolutely stunning. Anyway, this is beautiful. Yeah, I think it's gold tone hardware. This is colored ultraviolet. And it is the medium Asher ultraviolet ombre Melbourne. Originally $325. I did not pay that. What did I pay? Like $2 something. But I'm like, I had to get a bar. I am very, very excited. This is also like a pagan groove thing, so I can't really. But that's okay. It's alright. Yeah. So isn't this? And you got like this beautiful purple tassel. That's so pretty. I love this, guys. Oh my goodness. So exciting. Oh my god, this is so pretty. 4 feet on the bottom. I can't even. This is just stunning. This is stunning. And I love this bag. So, very, very excited. Yeah. And you have a ramen dust bag. That's so pretty. Oh, I love their dust bags. They're so pretty. But you have excuse me. You have a pocket on the back. That's probably what wrapping my nickel is. But you have a pocket in the back. You don't have a pocket in the front. You do have key leash. So pretty. Then you have a zipper pocket in the back with some maybe care instructions. I don't know. We'll take that later. You have a cute little pen pocket. You have a note pocket here, pocket there. Oh my god, this is so cute. It has a pen pocket. How cute is that? Then you have this cute little pocket here, which I don't know what could go there, but this is absolutely so cute. And I'm going to be switching into that when I get back. This is beautiful. This is stunning. Oh my god. Whew. Oh, now I'm on the hunt for a wallet. I loved how they packed it. Took really good care of that. Or Macy's did anyway. And that's where I got it from. But holy moly. I gotta do my, this is so cute. You know I'm wearing this. Pretty is that? That's so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. I love it, but I have a special. This is just, whew. It's got like this Brahmin logo, like Brahmin thing on it. How cute is this? This is stunning. Stunning. I could put like a hand sanitizer or something there. This is beautiful. This is really pretty. Really, really pretty. I love this. I just love it. Whew. It is stunning. Now I have to be on the hunt for a wallet for this. Absolutely love it. Is just beautiful. So nice. I am definitely going to be switching into this later. So when we get back, he's got to do a he's got to clean the Tesla. So while he cleans the Tesla, I'm wearing this tomorrow. You know that. This is my bag of the day tomorrow. And then I intend to wear it. Then I tend to wear, I'm going to wear this bag another time. I can't stop looking at it. The color is just stunning. This ultraviolet color is beautiful. This is just, I love it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.